Nicholas, let her out of the closet. Nicholas, let her out of the closet.
Stop it! He broke his car.
Nicholas, let her out of the closet. Come on, let her out of the closet. Nicholas, she's got to go to school. Let her out of the closet. Let Cassie out of the closet. Nicholas,
No, he broke his guitar.
she's got to go to school. Say, Cassie, get in the car.
Don't hit me. Okay. Can I have a hug? Okay.
Nicholas, are you upset? Are you going to be okay? Look at me. Are you going to be okay? Are you okay? Yeah.
I think I let it all out.